What if I told you that two businesses can earn the same money but show very different profits? Just because they use different accounting methods sounds confusing. Don't worry. Today, we're breaking down accrual accounting versus cash accounting. What they are, how they work, and why this difference matters in real life. Just simple, real-world understanding. What is accounting? Before comparing anything, let's understand what accounting really means. Accounting is simply tracking money coming in, tracking money going out, and showing whether a business is making profit or loss. Every business, small or big, must choose how they record this money. And that's where cash accounting and accrual accounting come in. Cash accounting, the simple method, definition. Cash accounting records money only when cash actually moves. That's it. No cash movement, no record. How it works: you get paid gives record income. You pay money gives record expense. Simple example. Imagine you run a small design business. You finish a project in January. Client pays you in February. Under cash accounting, the income is recorded in February, not January. Why? Because that's when cash came in. Key features: easy to understand, easy to maintain, based on real cash flow. No future tracking. Who uses cash accounting? Freelancers, small shops, self-employed individuals, very small businesses. Pros of cash accounting. Cash accounting is popular for a reason. Advantages: simple and beginner-friendly. Shows real cash position, less paperwork. No need for advanced accounting knowledge. For small businesses, this method feels natural, just like managing personal money. Limitations of cash accounting. But here's the problem. Cash accounting doesn't show the full picture. Problems: income may look low even if work is done. Expenses may be delayed. Profit can look misleading. Not ideal for growing businesses. A business might look unprofitable even when it's actually doing well. Accrual accounting, the professional method, definition. Accrual accounting records income and expenses when they are earned or incurred, not when cash moves. This method focuses on economic reality, not just cash. How it works: income is recorded when work is completed. Expenses are recorded when they happen. Cash timing doesn't matter. Simple example: same design business. Project completed in January. Client pays in February. Under accrual accounting, income is recorded in January, because that's when the work was done. Key features of accrual accounting: matches income with expenses, shows real business performance, tracks future payments, more accurate profit reporting. Accrual accounting answers the question: did this business actually perform well this month? Who uses accrual accounting? Simply, accrual accounting is used by medium and large businesses, corporations, companies with inventory, businesses with long-term contracts. Most investors, banks, and governments prefer accrual accounting. Why? Because it tells the real story. Real-life business impact. The accounting method you choose can change how your business looks on paper. Example situation: a business completes many projects this month. Clients will pay next month. Under cash accounting, income looks low. Business appears slow. Under accrual accounting, income is recorded now. Business looks active and growing. Same business, same work, different picture. That's the real power of accounting methods. How profits can look different. Profit is not always what it seems. Cash accounting profit, based only on money received, can fluctuate a lot. One month looks great, next month looks bad. Accrual accounting profit, based on work done, more stable and consistent, reflects actual performance. This is why investors and banks trust accrual accounting more. Expense timing difference. Expenses also behave differently. Cash accounting, expense recorded when money is paid, can delay expenses. Profit can look higher temporarily. Accrual accounting, expense recorded when it occurs, even if payment happens later, gives a fair monthly result. This prevents fake-looking profits. Impact on decision-making. Accounting isn't just for reports, it guides decisions. With cash accounting, good for short-term cash management, not good for long-term planning. With accrual accounting, better budgeting, better pricing decisions, better growth planning. Businesses using accrual accounting can see problems before cash issues happen. Which method is better? There is no one-size-fits-all answer. Cash accounting is better if you run a small business. You deal mostly in cash. You want simplicity. You don't have inventory. Accrual accounting is better if your business is growing. You offer credit to customers. You work with invoices. You want accurate financial reports. Many businesses start with cash and later shift to accrual. Common beginner mistakes. Here are mistakes beginners often make. Mixing both methods without clarity. Thinking profit equals cash, ignoring unpaid expenses. Choosing complexity too early, not understanding their business needs. Accounting should support your business, not confuse you. Summarize the full topic. Cash accounting shows cash reality. Accrual accounting shows business reality. One focuses on money. The other focuses on performance. Understanding both gives you financial clarity. If this video helped you understand accounting better, like the video, subscribe to the channel. Comment which method you find easier. And stay tuned for more simple finance concepts explained clearly.